Good morning student, this is class 11 and today's thought is the only way to learn the mathematics is to do the mathematics. Means if you want to become a perfect in a mathematics, then you have to do a lot of practice in mathematics. Now you know that the new chapter is going on, this is sets. You know that how to notate the set. And what is a set? A well-defined collection is known as the set. You know that? A well-defined collection is known as the set. Like all students of your class is a set. All words is a set. All books of PCM is the set. So you can say that a well-defined collection of objects is known as the set. Set of flowers is also a set. In the set of flowers, all flowers are coming, rose, lily, and all the flowers are coming. But if you are saying that the most interesting book, whether it is a set or not, so you know that the interest is depend upon person to person. So it is not a set. Tallest student of the class is the not a set. Most beautiful things of the world is the not a set, because beauty is defined by person to person. So student, I think you have an idea which one is set and which one is not set. So now student we move on कि how to represent the set. Set is represented by the curly brackets. It is represented by the curly bracket, and generally we write down the set in the capital letters. Capital letters. Suppose you have a given set. It is 1, 2, 3. It is given that a natural number less than 4. Then set is defined by 1, 2, 3. It is a natural number which is less than 3. Now one thing is I want to discuss you. These are the element. These are called the element of the set. These are called the element of set. Element of set separated by comma. If one is here, you see that in A there is 1, 2, 3. If it is said that whether one belonging A or not, मतलब A में one है या नहीं, तो for this one you have a sign one belonging to A. If it is in A, then A one belonging to A. Suppose if any element is not in A, suppose if you have said that the element 4 whether it is belonging A or not, so you see that the 4 is not in A, so it is not belonging to A. If any element lie in a set, then we use the belonging. This is belonging sign. This is belonging sign. If element is not in A or not in that set, then does not belong. This is does not belong. Means you have to cross the belonging sign. Means it does not belong. In here, A has 1, 2, 3. One belonging to A, so one belonging to A, but 4 is not belonging to A, then 4 is not belonging to A. This is the symbol of belonging. Now there are two methods to represent our sets. First one is known as the roster or tabular form. And second one is known as the set builder form. First one is known as the roster or tabular form, and second one is known as the set builder form. There are two methods to represent a set. In roster or tabular form, in roster or a tabular form, elements are separated by comma, like that. If you need to represent a natural number less than 10. Then you can write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are the elements which are less than 9. Suppose it is represented by n, then n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The all elements are separated by comma. If you need to represent a English alphabet of school in the set form, in the roster or tabular form, then suppose A is the set, this is S, C, H, O and L. Here O comes 2 times, but you have to, when you have to write down it in the set form, then you have to only write 1 time, not repeating any words 2 times. Suppose we need to represent a letter 1, 2, 2, 3, 4 in the set builder form, then its value is 1, 2, 3 and 4. How many times 2 are coming? 2 are coming 2 times, but here when you are writing in the form of set, then only you have to write down 1 time. These are the notation of the sets in the roster or tabular form. Second one is set builder form. In set builder form, we use the letters. Like if you represent this one, a number less than 9, so only you have to write down x is such that x is such that, this is the symbol of such that, belonging to natural number. X क्या है? X is a natural number. And what is the value of x is here? X is less than 10 and x is less than 10. This is the representation of set builder form. You have to use x is such that x and then use the criteria. If you were asked to write down it in the set builder form, then you have to write down like that. How many minutes? Now we move on the another question. These are the if you there is one example. If you were asked to find out the set of vowels in English alphabet in both methods. If you are to ask find out the set of English vowels in roster form, then it is A is equal to A E I O U. This is the roster or tabular form. But if you need to find out the English alphabet in set builder form, then you have to write down. Suppose this is a set A. X is such that X is a letter of vowels. Is a letter of, this is a letter of vowel in English alphabet. This is the representation of the set in set builder form. So student, you understand how we represent the set into tabular form and how we represent the set into the set builder form. Now here is exercise 1.1. This is which of the following are set I justify. You have question. First, the collection of all the month of a year beginning with the letter J. So if you represent the month of year beginning with the J, then it is the January and June and July. January, June and July. You have to write down January, June and July. This is the set. This is the set. You can identify or you can write down in the form of set. Now second one, the collection of the 10 most talented writers in India. You know that talent depend or differ from person to person. My thought If you are taking my opinion, I can say that he is talented. If you are taking another opinion, then he is different from me. He said anyone is talented. So the word talented, interesting, highest, tallest, these are not in a set. So you cannot justify it within in the set. So it is not a set. So it is not a set. Now next one, third one, a term of the 11 best cricketer batsmen of the world. This is also best. The word best differs from person to person. So it is not a set. So it is not a set. The collection of all boys in your school, it is a set. It is a set because you can collect how many boys in school. Suppose you have 30 students, you can collect them. If you are taking my opinion, I can collect 30 students. And if you are taking your opinion, you can also collect 30 students. So it is not different from me to you. So it is a set. So it is a set. Now next one, a collection of the collection of the all natural number less than 100. You can justify them. Less than 100, from 1 to 99. It is a set. It can also be presented. Next one, a collection of the novels written by the writer Munshi Premchand. This is a set. This is a set. But if it is asked that the most interesting writer of Premchand, then it is not a set because interest depend upon person to person. So I can think that you have an idea how to do the exercise. Thank you, students.